What will happen if I heat the air inside the balloon? Part 2. Balloons are made from rubber or latex, which are insulators, and when they get hot, the material melts and weakens. The air pressure inside the balloon increases, and this causes the balloon to pop. Let's try it again, but with water.
First, put water in a balloon, then blow up the balloon.
The balloon doesn't pop. Heat energy from the flame is transferred to the water, which is a good thermal conductor. The balloon won't pop because the heat is being pulled away from the rubber. But what happens if I heat up the balloon on the side? Here the heat was being transferred to the air in the top of the balloon, which caused the balloon to pop